The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge was previously believed to launch with the Galaxy S25 Slim moniker, but it seems like Samsung has plans of bringing back its Edge branding instead. Let's have a look.
Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.
Notably, the last Samsung device with this moniker was the Galaxy S7 Edge, which debuted in February 2016. But whatever the name may be, the new handset is indeed slim and packs a key change that sets it apart from other models in Samsung's new flagship lineup, cameras. While all handsets in the Galaxy S25 series sport a triple rear camera setup, the new Galaxy S25 Edge appears to have a dual camera unit with two distinct lenses stacked vertically at the back. The phone is rumored to arrive in May this year. While specifications remain unknown, it is widely believed to be Samsung's answer to the purported iPhone 17 Air, which Apple is rumored to debut this year as part of its iPhone 17 lineup, sporting a slimmer profile than other models. So, what are your thoughts on this new S25 Edge? Share your thoughts below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.